Imagine losing a limb and instantly growing it back perfectly without any scar tissue. While humans can only dream of this power, nature has already mastered the art of regeneration in some incredible creatures. Regeneration is one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. While mammals like us cannot regrow lost parts, many creatures in the animal kingdom possess the extraordinary ability to rebuild complex body structures after amputation. Salamanders and frog tadpoles are champions of this skill, capable of regrowing entire limbs with bone, muscle, and nerve tissue. Unlike human healing, their process completely replaces the damaged part rather than forming permanent scar tissue. Even more surprising is the starfish. Arm, it grows back, but if you remove only part of its central disc, they can regenerate a whole new body from that small fragment alone. Biologists have spent decades studying why these abilities exist. The answer lies in survival. Regeneration allows animals to escape predators, recover from harsh environmental damage, and continue living despite severe physical injuries. Scientists believe understanding these biological mechanisms could shed light on tissue regeneration in humans. If we can unlock the genetic codes that allow starfish and salamanders to heal, it might one day revolutionize human medicine. So while we still have a long way to go, looking at these resilient creatures reminds us that nature holds secrets to healing far beyond our current capabilities. The future of human regeneration might just be hiding in the wild. Nature's ability to regrow body parts is a miracle we are only beginning to understand. Which animal regeneration fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of biology.